In this demonstration, we'll show you how you can customize the workflows in CluedIn to be able to introduce new workflow processes. Maybe that's escalations, multiple people are having to approve a particular change in data, or even just setting up notifications. Let's head over to entity types. And we've just created a new entity type called dessert. We've synced it with the Power Platform. And we head to our workflow tab, we can see that an automated Power Automate flow is constructed for us. This is the default workflow that's created, where CluedIn sets up the automatic integrations to input the data, where a data record is added or modified within the dessert table, and then push those changes back to the CluedIn platform. But as you can see, those of you used to Power Automate, you can add brand new steps in here as well. So for example, if I wanted to integrate with Microsoft Teams, I could send messages for the data that's changing or being added within the flow that we see in front of us. And of course, you can integrate with all the other types of messaging systems like Slack, email, maybe ticketing systems like ServiceNow and Jira, or you can build your own custom connections as well. So right now in CluedIn, you can build and extend workflows automatically directly within the CluedIn user interface with Power Automate.